are 6 topics in chapter 2 and we will learn the place and face value first. Please visit our channel for more videos. Begin with face and place value. Once we crack this topic, all the other topics will be work on the cake. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. It never changes. So here, face value of 4 is 4 and face value of 1 is 1. Let us take another number, 99. So here, face value of 9 is 9 and face value, the other 9 is also 9. Face value versus face value. Face value, place value is a value of a digit according to its place or position in the number. These are the ones position and these are the tens position. So 5 ones are 5 and then we are going to do 5 into 10, which is 50 in the tens place. 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. Now you know the value of positions in numbers, right? '86. So what's the position? 6 is the ones place and 8 is the tens place. So 6 ones are 6 and 8 tens are 18. So that means 80 plus 6 is 86. Now you know the value of positions in 2-digit numbers, right? Let us now have a 3-digit number. There are ones now, tens and hundreds. 1 ones are 1, 4 tens are 40 and 9 hundreds are 900. So we got the answer 941. Hope you understood the concept. Questions to solve. There are marked numbers here in these 3 2-digit numbers. You have to write the face value and place value of these numbers in the columns as shown. The answer will be shown in 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Face values answers are the same numbers. Who is the winner? Comment below.